In this video, we're going to be looking at the Pendlay Row, which is named after Glenn Pendlay. Now this involves rowing the barbell from the floor in a bent over position, and the barbell returns to the floor every time. This means we have to be in a hinged position where the torso is parallel or just above to the floor. So it can be quite an awkward position to set up. So let's have a look at the initial setup. Rather than standing directly under the bar, I stand slightly behind it, so my toes just behind the bar. This just allows room for me to pull the barbell towards my lower ribs or my lower chest. From here, hinge at the hips, grab the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width, so we can go as wide as we like to just mix up the exercise. As you can see from a side-on position, my shins are vertical. I don't want to be here over the bar, my knees are going to get in the way. So shins back in this hinge position, so we need the mobility through the posterior chain. Holding on to the bar with a pronated grip. From here, I explosively pull the barbell up towards my lower chest or the bottom of my ribs. Bringing the barbell down under control. Doesn't have to be too slow. Couple more reps. So we want that row upwards to be quite explosive.